Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So it is Tuesday, November. We never know the date around here, but it's a Tuesday, and I'm really happy because this morning I usually have 3 classes, but I don't have to go to my 10 o'clock this morning, which is my first class, because we're just reviewing the test we took last week, and your girl got an A, so she doesn't have to go. So since I don't have to go to my first class this morning, that means I don't have to be on campus until about 12, which gives me a really good amount of time this morning to get some stuff done. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and film a little sit-down video here in my bedroom. I wanted to film it yesterday, but it was just so incredibly gloomy outside that I just didn't have the drive to film, and that's okay, I do today, so thumbs up for that. But I'm gonna go ahead and film, and then I'm gonna go to my 2 classes, and then after I do need to keep working on that essay that I started last week, so that's gonna be my little like school project that I do today. Then I want to do some major fall/winter cleaning. I was looking in my closet last night and I realized I have so many clothes that I just don't wear, so I'm going to like donate some and list them on Poshmark. I feel like I totally look just like a warm fuzzy bear when I have this jacket on, but literally this jacket is one of the only things that actually keeps me warm on cold days like this, so I have to wear it. So it is 9:47 and I'm just about to sit down and do some filming before I go to class. I just want to show you guys my little setup here. So I'm actually filming a favorites video, which is so funny because when I started doing YouTube, like, you weren't a YouTuber unless you did a favorites video every month. I haven't done one in forever, so I'm filming that. Got my little setup right here. Cleo is just, she gets so cold in the winter. But anyways, I'm about to film and hopefully I can get all this done in time. Okay, so I just finished filming. It's like 10:30 right now, and I just put some clothes on so I can go to school and be warm. You guys, please don't judge me for wearing this turtleneck in literally every video since I bought it. I'm pretty sure I've worn this. No, not every video, but I've worn it in a lot of videos. And, you know, some things are just one of a kind and you have to wear them all the time. No, but I've actually been looking for more turtlenecks that are soft and slouchy. I don't like the like stiff turtlenecks. Well, I do, but I just don't like wearing them to class. But this is just so soft. This apple cider, oh, so good. Mommy has to go to school, but I'm gonna tuck you in, okay? I'm gonna tuck you in. There you go, pretty. I just got out of class and I'm here in the student union, and I'm actually just correcting some stuff that I got handed back today. So I just have a Quizlet pulled up and I'm just adding notes to that before I file it away. But yeah, it's so gloomy outside and I knew that I wasn't gonna want to do any schoolwork when I got home. So I think I'm just gonna take care of most of it while I'm here. But yeah, I don't think I've shown you guys our student union. The only time I ever really come here is if I want Starbucks, which is like right over there, or if I just want to like find somewhere chill to be alone, because this is like really cute and cozy and I have a little desk right here. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish this up for like the next probably 15 minutes and then probably catch the light rail and head home. Class. You guys, it is so cold and gray outside, and my house, as you guys know, it's very open. It gets really cold because it's a very like kind of large space, and we don't like to run our heat during the day when no one's home because that's just really expensive and a waste of energy. So when I get home, it's like an ice box in here and it's so cold. So I'm currently just like sitting here with all my layers still on. I turned the heat on, so hopefully that kicks in a few minutes. But I am chilling right now. I just finished working on this thumbnail that is gonna be for a video that's going up later this week, and then right now I think I'm gonna go ahead and take care of the editing from that video I filmed this morning. Look at all those fingerprints, oh my goodness. I also remembered another school assignment that I have that's due tomorrow, so I need to knock that out today. I'm taking an entrepreneurship class, and we just have a speaker that comes and talks to us every week. And last week it was my turn to type up the notes, because like each week somebody types up the notes from the speaker, and you have to like organize them, and then you have to write a summary. So I need to sit down. I have literally 9 pages of notes that I need to sort through, so I need to sit down and do that. All right, so I just finished my editing, and now it is time to tackle something that I have been avoiding for a very long time. So my closet is just like a little messy, a little outdated. I feel like I have a ton of spring and summer clothes inside when it's literally 40 degrees outside now. So I just need to like swap everything out. My desk area is also just like, it's a hot mess. Like I don't know what's going on here. And then inside, I just feel like I have clothes over here that I'm not gonna wear this season at all. And I do have some clothes under my bed that need to be taken out. And yeah, I'm trying for like a very minimalistic wardrobe. I cleaned out so many of my clothes before I went to Hawaii. And then over here, this is just such a mess. This is real life, you guys. So I think I need to like take some of this stuff off that I'm not wearing, like this. No, I'm not gonna wear this anytime soon. And then I just have like books, and I don't know why I have a thing of oatmeal up there. Some boxes. This place needs some TLC, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. I also like want to vacuum and dust the floorboards, and then just do something about this, because this literally gives me anxiety looking at it. So I'm gonna set you guys up, and hopefully we can knock this out. Alright guys, so here is the final product of a nice and clean space. I feel like I can breathe again. It feels so good. And honestly, this wasn't hard. This definitely took me less than an hour. I feel like the best thing when you're cleaning is just to always have a space for everything. Like, I don't know, I have containers on my bed for spring clothes, so that made it really easy to get rid of all that stuff. And obviously I had a huge trash bag to throw trash away. I had a lot of textbooks up here, which I just already have like posted for sale so that people can buy them secondhand. But yeah, so I just did like my robes, some dresses, jeans, shirts, sweaters, and then like the heavier jackets over here. And then here I'm just keeping my t-shirts, some workout stuff, and just like little t-shirts I like to wear. And then I have like my bras, underwear, and socks up there. That is about to start overflowing, so I need to get another container. Either that, or I kind of want to get like a, you know, one of those 3 cube unit things for down here, so I can like pull it out instead of having to like reach up. But yeah, so this is still a work in progress, but I just love having as little amount of clothes in here as possible, because it's so much less to look through, and it feels really good just to be able to declutter and have space for new clothes if I want them. And then over here, as you guys saw, I also fixed up my little desk area, so it's pretty much like the same. I just cleared off all the junk. I still have my jewelry and like my vitamins and stuff, some pencils. I just keep snacks in there if I ever want to like have a snack in my room, and like some candles, my camera, and then I also hung this guy up because I didn't want to get rid of him, and I feel like it kind of fits right there. So yeah, all clean, and now I'm gonna go work on my office. All right, so my upstairs office area is just a little bleh right now. There's like stuff all over. Got some like stains on here, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little cleanup. Hello, Cleo. And I put this fuzzy blanket down just because it's been so cold. But I'm gonna use this stuff, this Mrs. Meyer's apple cider multi-surface spray. This stuff smells so good. got done cleaning and it looks really nice. The only thing that's slightly bothering me up here are these pumpkins. Even though it's still November, I feel like I'm just in full Christmas mode already. So I think I'm gonna go to Target because I was there the other day in their little dollar section. They had the cutest little Christmas trees that you could like put right here. Hopefully when I come home I can have a couple little Christmas trees right here instead of the pumpkins. Alright you guys, so for tonight I felt like being super extra and I actually completely roasted a chicken by myself. Okay, I'm totally kidding. I did not roast a chicken. I've never roasted a chicken. I should definitely check that off my bucket list. But I just actually picked this up from the store. These are so awesome because you can get it at the beginning of the week or any time in the week and just save it. Like it's good for a good like 3 to 4 days and then incorporate it in your diet. I'm probably not gonna be able to eat this whole thing because I really don't like chicken that much. Like I don't like having it every day, but sometimes I do crave it, and this is what the store had. So I just did some carrots, some chicken, I heated up some rice, and then I also steamed a little bit of broccoli. I think I actually mentioned it in my grocery haul, but what I like to do is like kind of prep things just in like a big container. I don't meal prep, you know, like I don't divide it all out, but I just keep it all together. Like, you know, I like to have chicken, I have corn in there. I forgot to put the corn on here. I have tomatoes and all that kind of stuff. And it's just nice to have things in big containers because then you can just make like little dishes with it throughout the week. And ta-da! I'm excited. And if you guys can hear in the background, I have my favorite Christmas playlist. It's a lo-fi Christmas mix. And it's my favorite. I've been listening to it. It's like an hour long. And it helps me get in the holiday spirit. I wanted to show you guys, I got these from Target. I was talking about it earlier, how I found these little trees, and my Target actually ended up having them. So I'm also gonna set these up, but not yet. I'm gonna do my homework and use this as like a little incentive, if you will. The thing about Target is I feel like it's so early. So I feel like they're gonna have other Christmas collections. So I'm literally just gonna try and like snag up all of the cute stuff that I find and then, you know, just disperse it all about my house. Okay. These are so incredibly cute. Look at this. Okay, let me put maybe this. Does that work? Is this a look? I think I like this. Even though this is like really ugly. I need to find something else to go here. Maybe like a tray that I can put some jewelry on or something. I don't know, but I really like that. And then also, I'm so excited to show you guys this because UB sent me a fun little PR package and they actually sent doubles of everything so that you guys can win some stuff. So I'm gonna be giving away a whole set in here. So what you're gonna win is one of these DIY keychain kits, a little pencil case. This is awesome. It's like a mini supply kit, so it has, you know, staplers and mini scissors and tape and staple remover. It's a really cute box too. And then a notebook. Oh my gosh, they sent one that's pink and then one that's blue. Some pencils, and here's another pencil pouch. And then also, this is a book and it's like a holiday gift guide. And then also some pencils. So lots of fun stuff. If you want to win this stuff, just go ahead and leave a comment on this video and I'm gonna pick a random person 1 week from today. And also to be entered, make sure you are following me on my Instagram. It's adrian.hill with 3 L's. And yeah, good luck to all you guys. Alright guys, so I am about to just take off my makeup and then head to bed. I am so tired and I feel like I didn't really do that much today, like outside of my house. I feel like I did a lot in my house but not really outside. But I hope you guys liked this video. I know sometimes these vlogs are a little repetitive, but I like doing them just because they keep me on track and you guys seem to enjoy them as well. Come here, Cleo. But don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment on this video so that you can have a chance to win that UB stuff. Also, if you enjoyed the cleaning portion of this video, let me know because I've kind of been wanting to do just a giant clean with me video, but I don't know if it would be like a hit or not, so let me know what you think. But I love you guys so much and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys!